here. Well, I can copy and paste what I just said about the skewers to this. We can't have an outdoor entertaining show, I know, without doing that. You remember these? They still exist. And they disintegrate the second you put anything wet on them, like gravy or barbecue sauce or anything, and then they go in the trash, which means it goes in the landfill. And they even make the ones that do have divided sections to them, and they're made out of styrofoam, and then they collapse. So we're going to, I know, so bad. We're going to give you, from Temp-tations, yes, you can put it in the oven. This is the set of two 10-inch divided ceramic plates.
I love
mean,
these.
it's the, you buy a couple sets of these, you never have to worry about the paper plates again. And I'm guessing you're going to be using them not when you're outdoor entertaining, you're using them for dinner at home.
Right, so we had those TV trays that you loved so much, and this divided, this is how I grew up, right? And exactly what you were saying, you buy those paper plates, sometimes they're decorative, but you wind up just throwing them away. These are those pieces that you can use time and time again. You can pick up as many sets as you want, and now look what you can do. This is what I love it for, especially if you have people who don't want their food touching, okay?
Right.
Now you have your potato chips that aren't getting soggy because your macaroni salad is anywhere near it. And let's not talk about the pickle juice that you don't want running in with your grapes, and you don't want it on the bun of course, your sandwich there. So this truly, around the clock, giving you a way to kind of have everything sectioned is wonderful. Love it for desserts, love it for your main dinner, like that TV tray dinner, right, that we grew up eating, your mashed potatoes, your veggies, your little snack, and then of course that fried chicken, like hello. Hello
I love
to
that. The little snack is this gorgeous fat carrot cookie. I mean, that's a work of art.
Look at breakfast here too. This idea I love also, with the waffles, with the bacon, but we do have doodle and pawfetti and all of those great patterns. Yes, we do.
Let's go.
I know, I get mesmerized by the food, but it's kind of giving you those ideas. Yes.
Oh, really, Alan? Pawfetti's last call? We only just got here. Okay.
Here's your red doodle. Then we have your olive flutter, your palm, and apparently the very popular pawfetti. Yeah. Down here we have your garden, your patriotic, which I love this for barbecue. Totally. Like, think about that. Then we did your red in our mix pattern. We did the blue and the set of two in the black. You are going to get both of these, and they're the same great stoneware. So dishwasher, fridge, freezer, microwave, and oven safe. So reheat stuff on here too.
I think it's a couple sets on this one. However many you're going to anticipate needing for entertaining, you get the sets right now because those 5 easy monthly payments do go away at the end of the day. And that pawfetti is not going to last the next few minutes.